Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to you all to the India International Ceramics and Building Materials Fair come B2B being organized by Capexil, a premier export promotion agency under the Ministry of Commerce, Government of India. This event is focusing mainly on ceramic tiles and sanitary exports. Ceramic products are a major area of India's exports to Nigeria. You all may be happy to know that there has been a 70% rise in the exports of ceramics from the year 2018-19 to the year 2019-20, where our ceramic exports to Nigeria have increased to around $8 million plus. We find that the most popular ceramic products in Nigeria include ceramic tile, glazed ceramic tiles, wall tiles and mosaic cubes. Friends, I ask you all to take advantage of this opportunity because Nigeria is a huge market. There is a lot of construction activity going on, and especially housing projects, whether it is from the Nigerian government, by the private sector, or those funded by the multilateral organizations, the UN and World Bank, etc. These are all very large projects for which there is ample opportunity for our ceramic exporters. And I also invite our Nigerian importers and partners to join this event because this offers exposure to more than 30 plus exhibitors from India offering premium products and opportunities for networking with colleagues from the ceramic industry. There will also be webinars in which you will be able to address your concerns and receive appropriate replies. And most importantly, you will also be able to understand the latest innovations in the ceramics industry, which will definitely be of great interest to you. Friends, India and Nigeria are very strong trading partners. In fact, Nigeria is India's largest trading partner in Africa, and bilateral trade between both countries is around 13 to 14 million every year, except during last year when there was the pandemic. And Indian investments are also very strong in Nigeria. Around 19.3 billion Indian investments are estimated to be in Nigeria. And there is strong cooperation between both countries in automotives, in machinery, electrical machinery, pharmaceuticals, chemicals, textiles, you name it. There is such a strong cooperation between two countries. And we are very optimistic that this cooperation will percolate down to even to the ceramic sector, and that this year would see a tremendous increase in the commercial cooperation in the ceramic sector between both countries.